Hi guys, hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. I'm a digital marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a paid Facebook Live video event, right? Guys, this is amazing in terms of creating more engagement with your audience, give you an opportunity to teach more of your skills and your knowledge. And guys, I'll be showing you step by step how to do this in the video. So let's not waste no time and let's get into it. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a paid live event on Facebook, right? This is great, especially if you have a service business or you have a business where it requires you teaching your students something, or you want to engage with your community and create more of a way for people to communicate with you, as well as giving them tips, tricks, and all that stuff, right? This I think is going to be an awesome tool in terms of helping you to earn some extra revenue in your business. So guys, I'm going to show you how to do this. So in order to do this, all you got to do is type in Facebook Creator Studio into Google right here. Click enter and then click Creator Studio right here. Yeah. Now, as you can see, right? Now we are in the Creator Studio. We're in the Creator Studio. Make sure at the top right here, the Facebook logo is highlighted. So this is basically the home page. So you've got videos, your insights, and all that good stuff, right? So then, guys, if you want to create a paid live event, all you've got to do is this. You click, make sure your page is selected. Your Facebook business page is selected. Then click create new right here. Here you will have a bunch of different objectives. And then here you want to select go live. And once you've done that, guys, you're going to be shown this screen right here, this screen right here. And it's going to give you two options: to go live or create live video event, right? And this, by doing live video events, you can promote it. You can get people to say, okay, cool, I'm interested in attending. You can create more reach with this as well, in terms of getting people outside of your world to attend, right? So there's a great outreach tool as well, right? But remember that, guys, with paid live events, especially if it's paid, you want to make sure that you're offering value. You're offering value. That could be in the case of tips, tricks. That could be in the case of entertainment. Whatever it is, you want to make sure that you're offering value. Yeah. Then all you got to do is select this option right here. Then click select here. And once you click select, right, you'll be brought to this page right here. So this is my page right here, yeah. And here you can put in the event name, like, so I'll do like Facebook ads tactics class or something like that. Facebook ads tactics class. Something simple like that. Yeah. And then you can do this, the date, the start time. You can even put the end date right here, especially if it's an event that you're running over a number of days, right? Because guys, with live events, it doesn't have to be one day. It could be like a 3-day event, right? So you can be super creative with it, right? Another thing as well is that you can also change the image, the cover photo right here. Then you can put in the time. Or if this is something that you're doing every week or every month, you can do it as a recurring event. So you can always be promoting it to new people to get them involved. Yeah. And then here you can choose for it to be private or public, but here it's public. So anyone on or off Facebook will see this event. anyone on or off Facebook will be able to see this event, which is great for reach, which is great for getting new people, new eyeballs, right? And then when they come into your event, they can engage with you and all that good stuff, right? And you could even use that as a way to convert your customers to take advantage of your other offers or of whatever you have going on in your business. Then in the description, you basically type in what the event is about. So I'm going to type in here, teaching you the best FB ads tactics that actually work. That's an example, yeah? Now, guys, you can enable paid access. All event content will only be visible to those who have purchased access. And guys, you can literally put in the price in here. And the great thing about this, guys, is that you pay 0 fees to Facebook and other platform fees, and applicable taxes may still apply, obviously. But in terms of, you don't pay a percentage to Facebook. No percentage goes to Facebook, right? So all that money that you make in your event, it's all yours. It's all yours. Yeah. And then here, you can choose the price. You can do the event for 99p, but the highest you can go up to is £20, £19.99. That's the highest you can go up to, right? You can choose any of these prices that suits you, right? And then once that's done, you just basically click next. You can even offer an early purchase discount. You can even put a cap on the amount of people that are allowed to join, right? And then you basically just click next. And then you'll be given the URL. You can also adjust the event settings, the distribution. So you can choose for it to go public, and choose even the age of the people. And also you can allow selected locations. So you can pretty much just choose who gets to have access to your live event. And once that's all done, you just click create event. And guys, this URL, you can now use it as a way to promote to people. So if you want to let your people on your email list know, you want to let people on your Instagram know, you can basically put this URL on there. So people, when they click it, they see your page, and then they can say, oh, I'm going, and basically go through the whole process of actually purchasing the ticket, right? And guys, this is how you do it. This is how you create a paid Facebook Live event, right? It's an amazing tool. Use it as part of your marketing strategy, especially if you're trying to create some extra revenue in your business, right? And also get more eyeballs to your business as well, right? So guys, that's how you do it. So as usual, I'll be coming out with more marketing tips and tricks to help you guys. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care, guys.